Hello guys, today we will solve another LeetCode problem which is named as remove one element to make the array strictly increasing. So now what this problem statement says is you are given a zero index integer array which is called as nums, and now you have to return true if it can be made strictly increasing after removing exactly one element, or return false otherwise. Means if you cannot do that, you have to return false, and if the array is already strictly increasing, you have to just return true. So now before solving this problem, we have to know what is strictly increasing array is. So if nums I, which is our current element, is lesser than the nums I plus 1, which is our next element, for each index from the first elements to the second last element of an array, then we will call it strictly increasing array. So now what are the constraints of this problem? Length of the nums array can be from 2 to 1000, and the value of nums I can be from 1 to 1000. So now let's take a look at an example here. So we have an array here 1, 2, 10, 5, 7, and as you can see, if we remove 10 from this array, we will get a strictly increasing array. So now for another example, we have an array 1, 1, 1, and as you can see, we cannot make it strictly increasing, because even if we remove any element from this array 1, 1, 1, we will not get our strictly increasing array, we always get an increasing array. So now for the next example, we have 2, 3, 1, 2, and now output is false. But why? So as you can see, if we try to remove the element 2 from this array, we will get 3, 1, 2, which is not an strictly increasing array. And even if we remove 3 from that, we will get 2, 1, 2, and which is also not an strictly increasing array. And if we try to remove 1, we will get 2, 2, 3, 2, which is also not an strictly increasing array. And if we try to remove the last element 2, so we will get 2, 3, 1. It is also not an strictly increasing array. So that's why we have to return false. As for another example, 1, 2, 3, it is already strictly increasing array, so we will return true. So now how can we solve this problem in O of n? So what can we do in this problem is, we can take two variables called lcount and rcount, and we will initialize them with 0, and we will take another variable called last, and we will initialize it with the last element of the array, which is 7 here. Okay, so now we will traverse from the second last element of the array, which is 5, to the first element of the array. So during each iteration, what we will do is, we will check if the last is greater than the current element, which is nums I. So if it is greater than the nums I, what we will do is, we will update last with the current element, which is nums I. Okay, and if the condition is not true, what we will do is, we will increase the r count by 1. So our r count will become 1 here, and we will do this till we get to the first element of the array. After this loop, what we will do is, we will update the last with the first element of the array, which is 1, and we will start traversing from the second element, which is true, to the last element of the array, to the 7. So during each iteration, what we will do is, we will compare the last variable with the current element, and if it is lesser than the current element, we will update the last variable value with the current element, and if the condition is wrong, then we will increment the L count this time. So after these two loops, we will return minimum of L count and R count lesser than equal to 1. So, and if it is true, then we can say we can make it strictly increasing by removing one element, and if it is false, then we cannot. So now I will write the code for this problem, but I highly recommend to write the code for this problem on your own first, and if you encounter any problem or any error, you can see the code which I am gonna write here. So now let's write the code. Now I have opened this problem on LeetCode, and I am gonna write the code in C++ language, and I will also add a link to this code in the description, so you can check that out. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you learned something new in this video, and I will try to make more videos for the LeetCode problems more consistently from now on. And till then, take care and goodbye.